Hi friends, now we see solar energy change. In this lecture, we see about solar energy change. The energy change is a series of energy conversions from primary energy source to final usable energy. For solar energy, there are 6 chains. Okay? The energy chain is a series of energy conversions from primary energy source to final usable energy. हे पाठीमागच्या लेक्चरला आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. For solar energy, there are 6 chains that are nothing but solar low temperature passive heating, solar high temperature heating, solar PV systems, solar control receiver thermal power plants, solar satellite microwave power plants, and solar electrochemical energy plants. Okay, these are the 6 energy chains, solar energy chains. First we see low temperature passive heating. In this solar chain, solar energy is converted into thermal energy and is used as a heat. Solar energy is converted into thermal energy and is utilized or used as heat. It is used for cooking, water heating, drying, room heating, greenhouse. It is also used for commercial, agriculture, and industrial use. Low temperature passive heating is used for cooking, water heating, drying, room heating, greenhouse. It is used for commercial, agriculture, and industrial use. It produces heat, that is solar energy is converted to thermal energy and used as heat. Then second chain, high temperature heating. In high temperature heating, solar energy is converted into thermal energy and is utilized as heat, steam, electric power. It is utilized as heat, steam, and electric power. It is used for, that is, production of superheated steam. This chain is used for production of superheated steam, superheated water, then electric power used for industry and on large scale for house heating. It is used for house heating, high temperature heating. Solar energy chain is used in large scale for house heating. Then the third chain is, that is, solar photovoltaic systems. In this case, solar energy is converted into electrical energy and used as electrical energy. It is used for small portable applications, battery charges, stand-alone remote, medium grid, etc. And fourth chain, that is solar central receiver thermal power plants. In this case, solar energy is converted into thermal energy and is used as mechanical and electrical energy. Then thermal energy is converted into mechanical or electrical energy and is used as electrical energy. Okay, it gives power plants up to 100 megawatt and which is not economical. It is not economical. Then fifth chain, solar satellite microwave power plants. Okay, in this case, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. Then it is converted into microwave, that is converted into electrical energy and utilized as electrical energy. Large central power plants on the earth receiving power from space station and which is futuristic plant. It is futuristic plant. Okay. Then sixth chain, solar electrochemical energy conversion plant. Solar electrochemical energy conversion plant. In this case, solar energy is converted into thermal energy as heat for chemical reactions. Then there is chemical reaction, then we get chemical energy, and finally thermal or electrical energy. In this case, energy transport is in the form of hydrogen, oxygen, methanol, fuel cell power plant for electrical energy and which is also futuristic plant. Then we see next point, that is solar constant clarity index and solar insolation. सोलार कॉन्स्टंट क्लॅरिटी इंडेक्स पूर्वी ही शॉर्ट नोट विचारली जात होती. आता जर तुमची ऑनलाईन एक्झाम झाली तर मल्टिपल चॉईसला यातल्या व्हॅल्यू लक्षात ठेवायच्या. सोलार कॉन्स्टंट, क्लॅरिटी इंडेक्स and solar insulation. Solar constant, which is denoted by the symbol gas. Solar constant is denoted by the symbol gas, and it can be defined as it is the solar radiation power. It is the solar radiation power received per unit area normal to the sun rays in space outside the Earth's atmosphere at a mean distance between the sun and the Earth. काय म्हणतो बघा, it is the solar radiation power received per unit area normal to the sun rays in space outside the Earth's atmosphere at a mean distance between the sun and the Earth. Okay, is nothing but solar constant gas. It is denoted by the letter gas. Its unit is watt per meter square. Unit is watt per meter square. The mean distance between the sun and the earth is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometer. 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometer व्हॅल्यू लक्षात ठेवायची. याची व्हॅल्यू, याचं युनिट काय, वॅट पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. And the value of solar constant yes is किती आहे 1353 वॅट पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. 1353 वॅट पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. Solar constant is a universal constant and it is not affected by daily, atmospheric, seasonal conditions or clarity of atmosphere, etc. It is a universal constant, therefore not affected by environmental conditions, and its value is 1353 watt per meter square. And mean distance between Earth and Sun is about, that is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometer. Okay. Then we see second term, that is solar insulation. Solar insulation, the total solar radiation received on a flat horizontal surface on the Earth is called as solar insulation. Total solar radiation received on a flat horizontal surface on the Earth is called as solar insulation. It depends on the time, that is morning, noon, evening, etc. during a day, and also on the condition of atmosphere, that is cloudy sky, winter season, etc. म्हणजे solar insulation is nothing but solar radiations are received on the flat horizontal surface of the Earth. ज्यामुळे हे कशावरती अवलंबून आहे, टाइम किंवा कंडिशन्स, एन्व्हायरमेंटल कंडिशन वरती अवलंबून आहे. ओके. देन वी सी थर्ड टर्म, that is clarity index. Okay, clarity index is denoted by letter Ki. The atmospheric clarity index at a given place is defined as the ratio of the radiation received on the Earth's horizontal surface to the Earth's horizontal surface. म्हणजे हे काय झालं, solar insulation. The atmospheric clarity index at a given place is defined as the ratio of radiation received on the Earth's horizontal surface, म्हणजे solar insulation, to the sun radiation on the equal surface area beyond Earth's atmosphere in a direction normal to the sun rays over a given period. हे काय झालं, solar constant झालं. Okay, the atmospheric clarity index at a given place is defined as the ratio of radiation received on the Earth's horizontal surface to the sun radiation on the equal surface area beyond Earth's surface in a direction normal to the sun rays over a given period. The radiation received on the flat horizontal surface of the Earth is called as solar insulation. Therefore, clarity index also can be defined as the ratio of solar insulation to the solar constant. Therefore, atmospheric clarity index at a given place, that is Ki, equal to solar insulation per unit time per second divided by solar constant. That's equal to solar insulation power per unit area divided by solar constant. It is the ratio of same quantities. Solar radiation, it is the ratio of same quantities, and so it has no unit. It has no unit. Clarity index is unitless. It has no unit. It depends upon the condition of the atmosphere. Solar radiation आहे त्यामुळे it depends upon the condition of atmosphere and varies from 0.1 to 0.7 लक्षात ठेवायचं. Clarity index varies from 0.1 to 0.7 multiple choice. Thus, condition of atmosphere. Thus, clarity index depends upon time, that is morning, noon, evening, place, condition of the atmosphere. For example, clear sky, cloudy sky, and season, etc. This is about the solar constant, solar insolation, and clarity index. Okay. Then we see next point, that is solar energy from satellite station to microwave to earth station. हा broad question विचारला जायचा पूर्वी. Solar energy from satellite station to microwave to the earth station. काय बघा, the solar energy available outside the earth's atmosphere is enormous. पृथ्वीच्या बाहेर आपल्याला 24 तास सोलार एनर्जी मिळते. Okay, is enormous. That is about 0.15 megawatt hour per meter square per year. Solar energy available outside the Earth's atmosphere is enormous. That is about 0.15 megawatt hour per meter square per year. But on the Earth's surface, the available energy is low. That is about 0.05 megawatt hour per meter square per year. म्हणजे एकदम थोडी आहे. Due to काय? Day night cycle, clarity index of the atmosphere. Day night cycle आहे, winter season किंवा काय क्लॅरिटी इंडेक्स आहे, त्यामुळं पृथ्वीवरती मिळणारी सोलार एनर्जी कमी आहे. आउटसाइड दी अर्थ एटमॉस्फियर वी गेट 24 hours सोलार एनर्जी. Therefore we see about solar energy from satellite station from microwave to earth station. त्याच्यात काय केलं जातं तर सोलार सॅटेलाइट पॉवर प्लांट उभारला जातो कुठं, इन दी जिओसिंक्रोनस ऑर्बिट. ओके, दिस इज सोलार सॅटेलाइट पॉवर प्लांट. Then the solar satellite power plant collects solar energy for 24 hours and it converts into thermal energy. It converts into thermal energy. Then the solar collector or solar satellite power plant transmit this energy to the transmitting antenna. So this same solar power plant send this energy to the conversion system. This conversion system converts thermal energy into microwave first, that is electrical energy, and then it is converted into microwave, which is this microwave is transmitted by the transmitting antenna in the geosynchronous orbit to the receiving antenna present on the earth station. Okay, then this receiving antenna converts these microwave or send these microwaves to the conversion system. This conversion system converts microwave into electrical energy and supply to the distribution network. This is about that is solar energy from satellite station to microwave to earth station. Okay, this is the figure of this power plant. This is nothing but solar collector, solar satellite power plant in geosynchronous orbit. This is transmitting antenna having diameter about 1 kilometer. Distance from this antenna to earth station किती आहे, that is 36,000 kilometer. मायक्रोवेव्ह दाखवले आहेत आपल्याला. आणि हा रिसिव्हिंग अँटेना ऑन दी power plant on Earth, which diameter is about 7 kilometer. Okay, then a geosynchronous satellite power plant will collect solar energy from extraterrestrial solar radiation. The solar receivers of the satellite plant will collect the solar energy for 24 hours a day and therefore not require thermal storage. The solar satellite power plant will convert the solar radiation energy into electrical energy and further converted into microwaves, megahertz frequency range. या ठिकाणी आपण थांबून राहिलेलं परत बघू. ओके, थँक्यू.